What if I told you there's a single text whose stated goal is to replace every constitution and every law on earth? It sounds impossible, but within the Lifechanyuan teaching, it exists. It's called the 800 Values for New Era Human Beings. 800 living principles, meant to guide humanity into what's called Civilization 3.0. Before you decide that's crazy, let's walk through it, one piece at a time. First, what is it? It isn't some brand new invention pulled out of thin air. It's the distilled essence of the Lifechanyuan teaching, a condensation of the Chanyuan Corpus and the Xuefeng Corpus into the plainest truths. Its era is the 1,000-year Lifechanyuan era, beginning in 2018. Its audience is all of humanity, beyond nation, ethnicity, religion, or party. And its form? 800 concise principles, each one a small crystal of wisdom. So who wrote it? A single person, Guide Xuefeng, over nearly 3 decades. More than 95% of it comes directly from his own hand, and the result is a system with zero internal contradiction. For the first time, the wisdom of Jesus, the Buddha, Laozi, Muhammad, and sages across the ages is fused into one coherent whole. Many rivers, in the end, flowing into one sea. Put that together, and you get a genuine paradigm shift, from Civilization 2.0 to Civilization 3.0. 2.0 relies on ancient words and dogma. 3.0 relies on fact, science, logic, and intuition. The old order demands obedience and runs on constitutions and punishments. The new one cultivates joy and freedom and runs on Hundan management and procedures. One divides us into small families and nations. The other unites us in the second home and in the universal. Let's slow down on that word, truth. How does it decide what's actually true? Not by the words of the ancients. The 800 concepts rest on 4 unbreakable foundations: fact, science, logic, and spiritual intuition. Whoever said it doesn't matter. Does it hold up to those 4? That's the only question. It brings that same clarity to morality, and the measure is surprisingly simple. Whatever helps people become happy, joyful, free, and blessed is moral. Whatever obstructs that happiness, or breeds only anxiety, is not. Think of the 800 as a prism. Good procedures split human action into light, joy, freedom, blessing. Bad ones leave only anxiety behind. So what do the 800 actually cover? Picture a rising structure built in 8 layers. From the ground up, society and the roots of life, moral psychology, practical wisdom, and the philosophy of mind and life. Then higher, the cosmos, space-time, and the Tao, the greatest creator and his way, family and the second home. And at the very top, the new era and world civilization, where all paths finally converge. A few of these lines run through the whole thing like source code. Let me show you 3. Line 2, revere the greatest creator, revere life, revere nature. Line 17, openness is the best cure for every problem. And line 319, live by principles, run by procedures. And then there's line 98, which reads almost like physics. The cosmos, it says, is not a void. It is an interlocking engine of 3 fundamental elements. Consciousness, the directing intelligence. Structure, the geometric framework. And energy, the animating force. Consciousness, structure, energy, 3 threads, woven into everything that exists. Now bring all of that down to you. In practice, it comes to one thing: tending your own soul garden. Reading the 800 concepts is the first threshold to becoming a Chanyuan celestial, and after that, it's daily work. You pull the weeds, jealousy, comparison, arrogance, and sloth. And you grow the blooms: truth, goodness, beauty, love, faith, and sincerity. Within Lifechanyuan, this one text quietly plays 4 different roles. It's the operating basis for Hundan, chaos order, management, and it's the cultivation guide for every Chanyuan celestial. It's the entry threshold into the second home. And it's the governing canon of Civilization 3.0. One text, for jobs at once. How does something this vast actually hold together? As one body, in 3 layers. The principles, the 800, are the root, at the level of consciousness. Think of them as the software. Chanyuan management is the mechanism that turns consciousness into practice, the processor. And the second home is the living field where it all takes physical form, the hardware. No layer can be spared. The second home keeps no constitution, no commandment. It runs on the 800 alone. And here's the part that surprises people most. It is never finished. Line 800 says it plainly. Cut what should be cut, add what should be added, never sealed. It's not a capped dogma, and not an unchanging scripture. No fixed method is the method, it changes within the unchanging. That openness is exactly where its living vitality comes from. So, in the end, what is the 800 values for new era human beings? It's the charter of the Lifechanyuan era, a compass of thought carrying humanity from a fractured past toward a frictionless future. And it crosses the line of biology itself. It's the shared code of life for celestials, both carbon-based and silicon-based. The foundation guiding all of us toward that bright horizon is these 800 lines. If any of this resonated, go read them for yourself. See you next time.